Hey everyone! Today we're taking a quick trip back in time to the early days of computers. When operating systems were just being born, let's talk about how it all started. Way back in 1950s to 1970s. Let's go! In the 1950s, computers were a massive machines that filled the entire room, and they didn't even have OS back in the day, just like we know today. Back then, programmers had be manually input the instructions using punch cards or switches. Each programs run by itself, and every task has been to loaded one at a time. The technology improved in 1960s. We started seeing early OS or operating systems that could manage basic tasks like scheduling jobs, managing memory. This is when the batch processing became popular. Computer could now automatically run a list of jobs without human help each time. By the 1970s, things really evolved. Systems like Unix appeared, introductions of the idea of multitasking and multi-users working at once. These early days or early systems of operating systems become a foundation of modern OS designs like Windows 11 and the Mac, and also Linux. So next time you use your phone or laptop, remember it all began with giant machines and punch cards. That's the amazing story of early operating systems. Thank you for watching, and let's go to the next one.
My name is Aejhian Villadares, Multi-Programming and Time Sharing, 1960s to 1970s. This era aimed to make computers work faster and more efficiently by letting many programs and users share one system at the same time. Multi-programming. In multi-programming, several programs are kept in memory and the operating systems chooses which one runs next while one program is waiting. For example, for data from a device, another program uses the CPU. This makes the system faster and more efficient because the CPU is always busy doing something. For example, when you're listening to music while typing a document, both programs are running and the CPU switches between them quickly. Time sharing. In time sharing, each user or program gets a small slice of the CPU's time. The computer switches between them so quickly that everyone feels like they're using it at the same time. This was very useful for universal and open companies with many users connected to one main computer. For example, many people using the same mainframe computers through different terminal at the same time. Personal computer era, 1980s to 1990s. This era changed computers from large shared machines smaller. Affordable and easy to use personal computers, people no longer needed to rely on big companies' system. They could now own and use their own computers for work, study, and entertainment. Example, MS-DOS, one of the first simple operating system for personal computers. Windows 95 made computers easier to use with icons and start menu. Mac OS, Apple's user-friendly system known for its smooth design. IBM Personal Computer PC, one of the earliest and most popular home and office computer.
Hey, today we're going to talk about modern and mobile operating system from 2000 up to the present, and let's get started. Modern operating system, 2000 to now. In the 2000, operating system became more user-friendly, fast, and connect to the internet. Some famous examples include Windows XP 2001, known from the simple interface stability. Mac OS 2001 present Apple's link and reliable OS from a Mac computer. Linux distribution, popular among developers from being open source and customizable. Today we have Windows 10, Windows 11, Mac Sonoma, and many types of Linux, all offering modern features like cloud storage, security update, and voice assistance. Rise of mobile operating system. Then became mobile revolution. In 2007, Apple introduced iOS with the first iPhone, changing the way we use iPhone forever. Soon after, Google launched Android, which became the world's most popular mobile OS. Today, almost all smartphones run iOS or Android, powering the apps, game, camera, and connection to the social media. The present and the future. Modern operating system now support AI, cloud computing, security features, and smart device. They're not just a computer or a phone. We also find them in a smart TV, watch, and even cars. So that a quick look the modern and mobile operating system from early 2000 today and smart technology. Thank you for watching.